Mineral deposit on teeth is known as tartar. As time passes by, the amount of tartar increases, and if you don't take care, it can cause periodontitis. Of course, the best way to remove tartar is paying a visit to your dentist, but another way is to remove tartar at home. To do so, you will need baking soda, toothbrush, hydrogen peroxide, salt, water, cup, dental pick, antiseptic mouthwash. Baking soda is the most popular and effective tool for removing plaque. Step 1. First, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1/2 teaspoon of salt into the cup. After you wet the toothbrush with warm water, dip it into the mixture. Scrub teeth with it and spit. Continue the same process for 5 minutes. Step 2. Mix a cup full with hydrogen peroxide with 1/2 cup of warm water and rinse your mouth for 1 minute, then spit and rinse with 1/2 cup of cool water. Step 3. Rub the yellow tartar from teeth with a dental pick. Be careful not to scrape the gums because it may irritate and damage them. Step 4. Rinse mouth with an antiseptic mouthwash and repeat every second day. Here are some other advices to help you keep your beautiful smile. Strawberries and tomatoes. Tomatoes and strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which is excellent for oral health. You can rub these fruits directly onto your teeth and let it sit for 5 minutes. This way the tartar buildup will soften. Rinse your mouth with baking soda mixed with warm water afterwards. Also, you can use the same procedure with other food that contains vitamin C, like bell peppers, berries, lemons, lime, oranges and papaya. Cheese. Eating a Swiss or cheddar cheese before meals helps neutralize the acids that involve plaque creation. An ingredient in aged cheese works as a barrier agent. Moreover, there are other things that you can add into your oral health routine. Brush your teeth regularly with a soft brush and make vertical movements. Pay attention on the space between gums and teeth. Floss regularly. Consuming spicy food stimulates salivary glands. That way saliva cleans mouth in a natural way.